Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to eat Khmer noodle. Yes, you can see it is normal chop. Yeah, normal chop, Khmer noodles. Yeah, and then with vegetable, we mix with the Khmer noodle. Yes, and do like this. It is organic vegetable for hills. Yeah, original flowers in the village. And then we put sauce, the sauce, yeah, like this. And we have lemons, we have lemons, let's go for it. And then we mix like this to create a good sauce, good taste. Okay, after we eat, right? Mm, very good, very good. Let's see. Mm, this bean, bean. Mm, very delicious. Yeah, this is my noodle. This is my noodle. If you visit Cambodia, you can taste. Yeah. Khmer noodle in Cambodia very popular. Cambodian always eats it when free time, when create events, when make a ceremony, when party. Yeah, Cambodian always eats. My noodle we can eat with curry soup and a soup. It very nice, very nice. I recommend you when you visit Cambodia. Don't forget eat my noodle. Very good. Yeah, very good and delicious because it is organic food for your health. Yeah, a lot of vegetable mixed with Khmer noodle. Yeah, finish. Okay, bye bye. See you next video. Bye bye.